Ko tamai tuturo na je kino hotel lo soro team apolo kinto nu yemto kanu tolo mi apupeta ko UCC medicagwa ngesi abala edolti duchani nebe nu tolo mi ko radio o television kalago mamerasi ni Itaparete Aijien Itunga.
Kinds of content have to comply with the minimum broadcasting standard. However, if you find content that has family viewing, it means suitable for family viewing. So as UCC, we go all over the country, try to educate all stakeholders, inclusive of broadcasters, film producers, and others, of the need to put all those key criteria in consideration when they are producing the content, but especially the television, TVs, and the other broadcast mediums, to ensure that they comply with those requirements, because we want to protect the end user and the consumer, especially the children, from watching offensive content that might be immoral, abusive, or people may are going against our culture.
Kosodi atupiton RCC kotona ibuga soroti Josephine Ibaseret ngesi abalebe ekoto Aitolom ngunu bon no mame emunarete asesenaka ka pupo.
Social media runs like a blink of an eye. People are protective. They say everyone has a skeleton in their wardrobe. As a nation, we have skeletons. As it is, we have skeletons. But let's also have that, confidentiality, and basically publish what we want people to see out there. And some things are so pertinent that we learn to deal with them within ourselves. It destroys us. I've just talked about tourism. Sometimes it scares tourists.
Keja ngundam ayaramasi lu aponi tutorai kanuka ngun na podcast sisi autu.
Ke ponelo ya le training lo. Na kwa jenu kutino lu kuputono no beti jo atu kwape e producer. Kide eyataki kanole hilo ala producer ajenu borolu ipo edi borolu e beta to.
Sishaongo ebe ejok Aitosoma iborolo kalchara ibolo enono Aitosoma iborolo enono anu Aitolom na iboreni isiseneti Itunga ido opedori ai kam na omusomi Itunga lo isiseneti sisha obongo be pedori onda ne Aitolom o aputosha arabo films mu lo isiseneti Itunga otoma o cinema hall kwanati asiseni borolo Nigeria asiseni borolo South Africa asiseni borolo America ipedori onda ne locally nyeki QCC asala kiniswa makirono aboisa chebol region siche konyolo munete toni kwa plailo
emeda oso no eponu yani nara isisha o eponu le beitori aikori emuto ne jaso kotunga to soma ita film yatana inberbo bo Aijien opone alo itolo sere film so ida ngamuno tutebe bongora so kinga bongoro do panaso akorari emuto poni alajo kana kwa pele mimi na record
konye lo skona arama no tese keun kideda anyun yoda sesendio de polidiare music
esikwaru tudo berobo kwesi esikwaru no bere noino engolo polo do bere keda ka program skere keda ige mo nkabulu me ite sokira la karos rekwa mo sage ona itwekeni tunga bilibili tunga marago jokonoi
Deluxe Emi Alamu Loma Kizito Kanuka TV East.